How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another tutorial. Sorry, this time we're gonna be making a nice love song, reggae type beat, something like this is Christopher Martin, Sizzla Kalanje with Romain Virgo. Okay. Without further ado, I'm gonna play the beat first, then I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. I put some lyrics just to accompany the beat, okay? Nothing special, okay? So let me play the beat first, and I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat.
Calm down, baby. I know someone has broke your heart, baby. I can't imagine what you're feeling inside, but stop crying, stop crying. I'm coming from a long way. From me, I'm not lying. Came to take away your pain. I came to take away your pain, baby. From now, your life will never be the same, baby. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before.
Oh, very nice beats, okay? I'm not a singer, that's why I didn't sing well. I'm using auto-tune just to tune my vocal, okay? So let's go to the tutorial. I'm just using one shot. The only VSTI I'm using is muted, okay? Because I don't have enough CPU, okay? So the first one of the list, let me loop where all the instruments are playing. Okay, I think right here. Okay, the first one is the kick. Very easy and simple kick pattern. Okay, let me put the kick and the snare because they are just playing at the same time. Where's the snare? Okay, the snare is right here, and this one. Okay, the kick and the snare. What's this? Okay. Okay, so I'm looking for the snare. No, the snare. Where's the snare? Close it. Sorry, guys. Where I put the snare? That's why they say stay organized. Okay, the snares are here. Okay, the kick and the snare are playing at the same time. Okay. Ching, ching, boom, 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 boom. Okay, and the hi-hat, where's the hi-hat? It's here. Okay, just feel each 4 steps because I'm using 142 BPM. Okay. Okay, the next one, I use this head. This is tata, 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 ta, tata, 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 ta, tata, 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 ta. Okay, very easy. And I'm using this another open head just to give this accents. Okay, then this, what's this? Another one, another open head just to give some little feels. Let's see how it sounds. This ta ta This pattern I will use with another snare just to give this tata with a snare. Okay, I'm using this head also just to fill up. Clang, clang, see, clang. Okay, then I'm using, what is this? What is this now? Oh, another rim, it's a rim shot. Okay, yeah, nice. Ah, choo. Nice and easy. Okay, then this is just for the feel. Let me see another one. Okay, and this one are for the drum fills. Okay, and this one, okay, let me show you. Okay, okay, what's this? The next one. Okay, these are just for the drum fills. Okay, okay, what's this? And the crash. Here's the crash. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, then let's go to the melody. Okay, I'm using this. This is a loop. Sorry, it's not a loop, it's a sample. Okay, one shot. I'm using it to play this reggae bounce. Okay, this one. Okay, nothing special. Next one, I'm using, what's this? This trumpet. Okay, then I've played, let me solo the melodies now. This is the trumpet. Let me put this one. Okay, okay, nice. Next one, I'm using this organ, so this, woo. Okay, let me solo it. Okay, nice and easy. Next one, I'm using this is a riff, guitar riff, just 2 notes. Okay, let's see how it sounds with the melodies. It's pretty. Okay, now let's go to the bass. I'm using 3 variations of the bass. The first one, okay, very easy. The next one, okay, the same one shot. Okay, I've triggered a little bit this one. The next bass a little bit different. Start from the beginning. Okay, and then the third one, another one. Okay, the same one shot this time. Okay, very nice and easy. Then I'm using this for the chorus, but I didn't play it because I'm using a low CPU. That's why I've muted. But let's listen how it sounds. Okay, let me mute it. Then the vocals. Okay, nothing special. So that's it for the tutorial. Let me mute it again. Let's play the beat again once again. Then that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked the video. If you didn't yet, just consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Okay, peace.
What am I? Hold on, please. You may please have a seat. Calm down, baby. I know someone has broke your heart, baby. I can't imagine what you're feeling inside, but stop crying, stop crying. I'm coming from a long way. From me, I'm not lying. Came to take away your pain. I came to take away your pain, baby. From now your life will never be the same, baby. Oh, I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before. I know I'm not who you're looking for, but I can be the man you never met before.